1 minute, Master, तुम्ही इधर late पावले तकला में. When Babush, he worked hard. I never went house to house with Babush. But meetings I had told him I will address. When Babush died, that he died, one of the reasons I feel must be because of these elections. After he died, the one who was saying that I wanted to contest, I asked those people, are you interested in contesting? They said no. Then I asked all of them means people who matter. Konal Doria, he said you give the ticket to his widow because she will have a sympathy and they have worked hard. And this I had informed the party leadership both in Goa and in Delhi. आता तुम्ही जो क्वेश्चन विचारला कोण नाचले का म्हणून, that is wrong. There were candidates and she was ready. She said, if you are not giving me, give my son. But the consensus was to give to the widow of late Babush.
एक्सपोइंटून सुद्धा काँग्रेसची बिझनेसची झालेकडे
I told you I don't want to comment, but you cannot take certain results in isolation. When it comes to panchayat or municipalities, people look at the candidate. People see the relationship with the candidate. People normally don't like to go on party lines. So that Matilda has got more or less same votes like the Congress.
Considering the ZP votes in earlier elections and now, there's a vast difference.
No. Compared to the earlier elections, Sibru, if I am not mistaken, had 5,000 to 6,000 votes, right? Assembly? No.
That is what I am saying.
Last Zilla Panchayat, Sibru.
That is what I am saying. That
Sewerage Corporation, and I have requested him to finish the sewerage works by end of this month, because this we had been telling them for the last 1.5 years, and most of the roads they said they will complete it. I would like to announce that the hot mixing of the roads will start from 5th of April. From today we have already started cleaning the roads. Now for example from Navili to Kolden and further the cleaning of the roads had started 3 days back. So my appeal to all the sarpanches, panchayat members and to the public to extend them all the cooperation so that they can start the cleaning work, and from 5th of April we will start the work of hot mixing of the roads in a very organized manner. My also request to the PWD and Sewerage Department and the JICA Corporation that they should not break the roads as they have done in the Dialgon, Fradile to Dialgon. I had hot mixed the road last year and they broke it this year again. So I have told them to restore it immediately within next 15 days. Now many places it may not be possible to finish the road, like from Zorivado Chapel to 20 Point program, because they are laying a new pipeline as per the National Green Tribunal orders that all the 20 Point program houses should be connected to the sewerage. So I have given them 1 month more. But my also appeal to the sarpanches and panchayat members and to the PW, because I had a meeting with PW also, not to allow any destruction of roads further. Because to get these roads approved, it was a very, very difficult task. And I must say, I got all the cooperation from the PWD minister and the chief minister so that I could get these roads passed and work orders issued in this financial year as on 31st March 2021.
2022.
Very good question you have asked.
Masirao.
You see, what is elections? Election is an agreement or a bond between the candidate and the people. When I went for my elections, there are two things very important. I went as a candidate of Congress party on the basis of ideology, policies, principles and programs. And I am duty bound by this commitment and by this bond and by this agreement between the public and myself. Now you will ask, so many people defected, 13 fellows defected. That you don't ask me, because I am telling you about me. Second is, I have given commitment to the public, to every citizen, that I will work for the 5 years or whichever earlier when the election comes. That is again very sacred. I cannot shirk my responsibility. I may have resigned as a president of Congress party in 2017, but I can't say I am resigning now, then I am letting them down. You must have seen just now how meticulously I am working to ensure the roads are restored, to ensure water supply is provided, to ensure people get electricity. Now, in my last tenure, for example, these are the basic necessities. 1 minute. No, I am answering you, no? I have already answered you. Last elections, you know, when I came, I was very sad that the electricity situation was very bad. Today, we are constructing a new 33. If anybody breaks the road after it is hot mixed, the public should immediately file a complaint to the police. If necessary, a FIR should be filed against these agencies who are breaking the newly hot mix roads. If they want to do something, they should finish it within this week, so that next week I don't want any agency or any department to break the roads. And if they break the roads, I am warning them. I am also requesting the public and Sarpanch and Panchayat members to come forward and file an FIR against them for destroying the roads, because so much of money is being spent to restore these roads. I raised this matter in the assembly, and I told the Chief Minister that we had one of the best roads in Goa. And I am not asking you for new roads. I am asking you only to repair the existing roads. When you are spending thousands of crores of rupees under JICA or under sewerage scheme to break the roads, you should have at least 25 or 28 crores of rupees to restore these roads. Here it has become thousands of crores are spent, and I don't know from where these agencies has descended in Goa. Most of them are from Delhi, Jaipur and other places. I'm going to give you the list of these agencies. I'm going to give you the, and who take the responsibility, you don't ask me. As far as MLA of Naveli, I am saying that we lost badly for 2 villages, but we have lost badly for Dramapur, Sirli and Sarzara, which are 3 villages not in Naveli constituency, but they fall in Veli constituency. So overall, even though Sipru lost his vote bank, but still he is number 1. And I was worried that Congress position may be even worse. That is the reason I said I will come for every meeting. And the result is the Matilda, she has just missed by 100 votes to cross the Congress position.
Sir, Congress म्हणून तुमका दिसता की ऑर्गनायझेशन आम्हाला चेंज जाऊ जाय प्रेसिडेंट आणि किती कसे
See, Luisin Falero had been in politics in the state of Goa and has served by the grace of God at the national level. आता त्यांनी प्रश्न विचारला आमगे नॉर्थ इस्टाक जरी तर एक आमदार भायर पडटा जाल्यार वी गिव फर्स्ट प्रेफरन्स टू द विडो. This is one. So Luisin Falero has seen politics at the state level, national level. आता जे जाता तेंचोइन if I say I am not sad, then I will be telling a lie. I feel sad. I feel bad to see the present situation in the party, and I cannot deny the fact that situation is bad because we lost 13 MLAs, we lost all the by-elections, we lost the Zilla Panchayat elections. In fact, I had requested them not to contest on party lines because all along for the last 20 years, since the Zilla Panchayat came into Goa, my philosophy in life as a PCC president, and I told this to the present PCC president, was you allow the new leadership to come up in the villages. Don't put the party label on them. Let them flourish, let them come up. That is how you get new, young, dynamic leadership at the village levels. This did not happen this time, and these are the results.
Development of Pratima Jani, she prays to you.
Our friends are behind, but let me tell you, as a disciplined, loyal soldier of the Congress party, I don't want to comment on what has happened, because Naveli Zilla Panchayat is not only Naveli constituency. It has got 5 villages, out of which 2 village panchayats, Naveli and Telauli, falls in Naveli constituency, and Dramapur, Sirli and Sarzara falls in Beli constituency. This is one. Now, you should ask this question because I resigned as a president in 2017, when many MLAs told me, if you resign as a president, they will form the government within 24 hours. I had to go to Delhi because Mrs. Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi were not accepting my resignation. I requested them to accept, and they accepted. Since then, please note, I have never interfered as far as the Congress party organization is concerned. Further, let me tell you, I have never asked anybody to contest. In fact, my constituency people were consulted, including Sarpanch and others, and they had mentioned, you give the ticket to the widow of the candidate. That was more or less the consensus of the people of Naveli. Who has given the ticket? What are the reasons? How they were made to take their electoral roll, which was in Margao, to Naveli after the elections were declared? Don't ask me. You ask the organization people, and you ask the people who have asked her to contest.
काँग्रेसचे उमेदवार आली शिले प्रतिमा ते हार्डली 300-400 मतांनी डिफीट झाले. त्याने म्हटलेले की तुम्ही मातसो समजा इंटरेस्ट घेतलो जाल्यार आपण जिखपाक शकता अशें त्याने म्हटलें.
हांवें जेन्ना प्रतिमा मुजबरी येयलें ताका सांगिल्लें चोय आमच्या AICCची मिटींग जाल्ली ऑन Zoom, and the party leadership told me very clearly, you go to Kerala to help the party. I had told them I'm going after 1 week. They said, no, you go immediately. And when Pratima and Frankie approached me, I told them I cannot come with you house to house. I had not gone house to house when Babush also contested. But I said, and they also said, please don't come. We are going house to house. We don't need your help. You can come and address the meetings after you come back from Kerala. So after I came back from Kerala, I addressed one meeting in Talauli, one meeting in Naveli, and one meeting in, not in my constituency, that is Dramapur, because Dramapur, Sirli and Sarudara doesn't fall under Naveli constituency. Please, when you are writing that it is Naveli and Luisan Pallero, you expect him to go to Naveli constituency, Veli constituency, house to house. I don't know. But one thing I'm telling you, your own colleagues, when I was in Kerala, phoned me. And they said, sir, where are you? I said, I am in Kerala. He said, the situation of the Congress party is bad. I said, I am in Kerala, I'll come back and I will attend. And I have attended the meetings. I think many of you were present also when I addressed a meeting in Dialgon. I addressed a meeting in Dramapur. I addressed a meeting in Naveli. And accordingly, I'm sure you must be having the roles with you. You will see, study the roles. In fact, Cipru has not increased his margin. Cipru's margin has come down. What has changed is that the different political parties have come in the fray and they have taken the votes. Cipru's vote was from 5,000 or 6,000, it's come to 2,500. You all are very intelligent people, you should be knowing instead of asking me questions. And why are you asking me questions? I said I don't want to comment, and earlier also I didn't want to comment.
What do you think will be the impact of the Congress, particularly of the Mahila Congress, where Pratima was quite active when she was the president?
Why are you asking? I said I don't want to comment. But one thing I will tell you, I left the Congress party presidentship in 2017 when the MLAs told me, some of the MLAs, that if you are not there as a president, we will form the government within 24 hours. So nobody was ready to accept my resignation at Delhi. But I requested Mrs. Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Ahmed Patel also that time, please accept my resignation. Because if we can form the government, it's fine. And after that, you must have seen, I have never interfered with the organization. Now you are asking today. After that, we lost 13 MLAs. After that, we lost all the by-elections. After that, we lost all the Zilla Panchayat elections. After that, we lost all the municipality elections. So you can't hold me responsible for all this what has happened for the last 3 or 4 years. Therefore, I said I don't want to comment.
Sir,